We're back in the markets with Hedge Fund Trader 7.0, the most powerful automated trading software. Um, this is quickly a session where I'll be activating the software for a client. The client gave us the mandate to activate the software for her from one of our resources, our PCs. So, in the meantime, while she's fixing, getting herself her laptop ready. But in the meantime, we were reviewing a statement on the performance of Hedge Fund Trader on one of our clients' accounts. Recommended broker is Exness. Exness is a licensed and regulated broker. And yeah, and here we have a statement from January 2021. The client is Consul, and he had a live account with Exness. He made a deposit. Let's quickly just go through that. He made a deposit of 13,454, which he deposited back then, the 2nd of September 2020. That was last year. And then from here, these are your maximized profits that the software has yielded for them. So the software is an automated trading software. It trades automatically, the stop loss, the take profits, the pending orders. Everything is done by artificial intelligence. The software is developed by Asian software developers. It's software developers from Japan, Singapore, and Thailand, and so forth. And the master license is granted to us to distribute and to train clients on how to use the software, and we do the installations for them. Any brokerage account from any broker is welcome. So it's not strictly Exness. We just recommend Exness because we know all about their deposits, withdrawals, and all the back office procedures and so forth. But yeah, coming back to Consul's account, we can see the highest lot size was 0.64, then there was 0.32, and there was 5,967 yielded, and then 3,000, 2,000, 1,000, and so forth. So yeah, let's check the rest of the trades. And Hedge Fund Trader works with a concept of maximize your profits, minimize your losses. Maximize your profits, meaning your winning trades are maximized, and then your losses will be minimal. And then we see the losses, the size of those losses. I think the highest loss must be somewhere there around by 5,000. Let's quickly see. And there we have it. The highest loss. Let me just quickly get my pen out. The highest loss there is that 5,000. There we see it. There it is. And that was on gold. We normally don't recommend clients to trade gold with a hedge fund trader because the risk is very, very high, and so forth. And yeah, we can see that he made a withdrawal. He made two withdrawals. The first withdrawal was 13,300, meaning he made lots of money from using hedge fund trader. We can see his profit closed at his profits closed at, let's quickly see, his profits closed at a total profit on his account, it's 46,000, 46,088. So let's see, let's take that 46,000 plus 13,300. So more or less, hedge fund trader grew his account from 13,000 to 59,000, and he made both withdrawals, the 13,300, 100% on return on investments, and then the additional 46,000 that the software has made for him. There we can see it's positive. There's no minus sign, so meaning the software grew his account with more than 300% in total. Okay, so let's scroll down to see some records here. No working trades, and here's the diagram that shows the performance of the software, how his account was managed by this automated trading software. And let's quickly see. There we see how the account grew. How the account grew. We can see from the 13,000, and the number of trades is 259, and then it grew the account up to there. And then this is the withdrawals that is submitted. So the gross profit, let's get to the gross profit. Let's get to the gross profit. So 243 trades in total. Excuse me. 243 trades in total. Short positions, long positions, meaning buy sell contracts, buy contracts. Gross profit is 65,000, and the gross loss is 18,000, giving him that net profit of 46,000 on the forex markets with Hedge Fund Trader. The highest profit was 5,947. The highest loss was minus 5,964, and then the average profit is there, the average loss, and then the consecutive winning trades was 20 in a row, consecutive losses 7 in a row, and so forth. And the maximum drawdown was 9% on the account, and so forth. So yeah, Hedge Fund Trader manage this client's account quite well. There is risk involved in forex trading. There are various variables that can affect the buying, the selling of your the global or foreign currencies. So we advise good risk management, and the software also does that. So yeah, that is Consul's account performance. Just a throwback on what the software has done on his account. Okay, so now we're moving on to the Exness platform. We have a client's account here, and the software is going to speculate for this client. Her name is Sylvia. It's a live account. There we can see the account number there, and she funded the account with 10,000 equity, 10,000. So we're gonna instruct the software Hedge Fund Trader, the expert advisor, to trade on her account, and yeah, so we're gonna quickly open Euro Canadian dollar. I'm gonna right click here, chart window. Okay, we have it there. Show us line, show period separator. Just quickly creating a template here. Okay, there we have it. So we're gonna instruct the software to trade. Yes, Hedge Fund Trader. We're gonna plot it on the chart. Allow TLL inputs. The lot sizes 0.01. The multiplier, the hedging is times 2. Take profit stands at 50 pips, 500 micro pips. Stop loss at 100 pips, 1000 micro pips. Pending order distance 50 pips. Maximum trades 5 pips. And the current time frame, it's on that 15 minutes. I'm gonna say okay, and there we can see the dialog box of the software Hedge Fund Trader. So there's the account balance, $10,028. There's no buying price, no selling price. We can see that set phase there of the software there, because there's no trade placed so far. We need to switch on auto trading. So we go to the option of tools, options, expert advisor, allow auto trading, and then we say okay. Then we're gonna reactivate the software and say yes. There we can see the icon, a smiling icon there, and then we say okay. Then we say okay, and there the software has placed a trade on our account. It's a sell contract, 0.01 euro cat. It's in a minus because the broker Exness took their commission or swaps, okay, not swaps, their spreads. And then we go to account exposure. There we can see that the Canadian dollars in volume is 1,485. There's the exchange rate of the Canadian dollars against the South African rand, the euro, because it's a sell contract, the exchange rate against the South African rand, and so forth. So in its so in the account balance here is in ZAR, and that's the amount of volumes that she's controlling. So account balance stands at 10,000, and the software currently has placed a sell contract. The next pending order will be 0.02, and yeah, it is currently trading on our account. Let's see how things goes. So Hedge Fund Trader 7.0, the most powerful automated trading software powered by artificial intelligence.